As we journey through life, our bodies undergo a gradual breakdown due to the inevitable aging process. Over the years, various facets of our physicality start to wane, our eyesight dims. Hearing becomes less acute, muscles weaken, joints ache, and bones lose their density, ushering in a host of challenges. Until recently, the elusive quest to halt this relentless march of time seemed futile. However, a breakthrough discovery by a Mexican doctor offers a glimmer of hope. This revolutionary treatment promises to not only replenish lost faculties such as memory, eyesight, and hearing but also to rejuvenate connective tissues. Remarkably, the therapy is entirely natural and boasts a remarkable absence of any adverse side effects, heralding a potential paradigm shift in aging care. The ingredients for the remedy are easily available and cheap, and the preparation couldn't be easier. Here's what you need to do. Ingredients: a small piece of ginger, 125 grains of horseradish, 4 lemons, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. Preparation: mix the ginger and horseradish first, then add the lemon juice and mix everything in a blender. Add the cinnamon and honey in the end, and pour the mixture into a container with a lid. Take a tablespoon of the syrup twice a day before meals or before your training. Follow the treatment for 3 weeks, then take a 2-day break and continue with the treatment again. Besides improving your eyesight, memory, and hearing, the remedy will also improve your energy levels and restore the flexibility of your bones and connective tissues. The ingredients will nourish your brain and promote proper neuron function, which will result in a sharper mind and better function of your organs.